In this video, we're going to show you how to create an email marketing campaign. Design a beautiful email and send it to exactly the right patients, all inside Velastria. Email marketing lets you design a good-looking email and send it to exactly the right group of your patients, all from inside Velastria. It's perfect for an offer, a newsletter, or a gentle reminder to come back in. Let's create one together, from a blank page to ready to send. You'll find it under Marketing, then Email Marketing. This is your list of mail shots, the ones you've already sent, and the ones still in progress. To start a fresh one, you click Create Mail Shot up here at the top. Velastria opens the builder on a brand new draft, ready for you to design. Give it a moment to load. First, give it a name, just for you so you can find it again later. We'll call ours Summer Skin Refresh. Then the subject line, the words your patient actually sees in their inbox. Keep it clear and inviting. This is the builder. Everything in the middle is your email. You start from a tidy, branded template, then drag in headings, text, buttons, and images from the panel on the right. No code, no design skills needed. Most people read their email on a phone, so it's worth checking. One click flips the whole design to a phone-sized view, and one click flips it back to desktop. Up here you can personalize. Drop in the patient's first name, so every email reads as if you wrote it just for them. And you can pull in photos, including consented before and after images, straight from your patient library. When you want to see exactly what will land in the inbox, Preview renders the real email, the same way your patient's mail app will show it. There it is. Close the preview, and you're back to editing. Happy with it? Save and close, keeps everything, and takes you back to the MailShots homepage. And here's that homepage. This is the MailShot itself. From here you can jump back into the content, keep an eye on its status, and choose how it goes out. Before you send for real, always send yourself a test. Pop in your own address, and Velastria sends one single copy. It never touches your patients or the tracking figures. If someone else needs to sign it off first, send it to them for approval. It appears in their list marked awaiting your approval, and they can approve it or send it back to you with comments. You can schedule it for a particular day and time, and Velastria will send it automatically at that exact moment, or send it now. Velastria emails every eligible patient, and because there's no undo once it starts, it always asks you to confirm first. And this is how you choose exactly who receives it. Click Edit Audience, include patients, CRM leads, or both. Then narrow it down by things like age, when they last visited, or which clinic location they belong to. The big number updates live as you change the filters, so you always know how many people will receive it. And notice, Velastria only ever counts patients who've agreed to marketing and haven't unsubscribed. That's built in, so you stay on the right side of the rules without thinking about it. And that's a mail shot. Create it, design it in the builder, preview and test it, choose your audience, then send it now or schedule it for later. Beautiful emails to exactly the right patients, all in one place.